It is red alert, red warning. Marc Marquez then in the bright red leathers of the factory Ducati team. Todo al rojo, all in red was the message from the 8 times world champion yesterday. 4 podiums Marquez scored last year on what was an injury hit and turbulent farewell to Honda. The leap forward, incredible. 20 podiums he scored on the GP23. Are we witnessing the first steps on the journey towards a 9th MotoGP World Championship for Marc Marquez for the first time as a factory Ducati rider?